Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Joyita, and if you are new to my channel, then I do make videos related to makeup, fashion and lifestyle. And I want to thank you all guys. You have made it 1K subscribers. Oh my god. I'm just so excited. Anyways, so today I have thought of doing a very girly, chicy and casual shopping go out look. It is all happened because of your love and your support. As you are watching my videos, it became the 1K subscriber. I want to thank you guys. I want to do a giveaway and we'll be talking about this giveaway in the end of this video. And let's start today's video. So guys, let's begin today's makeup, and today I'll be using my current obsession brand, which is Focallure Beauty. They have sent me a box full of goodness, 8 to 10 eyeshadow palettes, a lip kit, 2 lip glosses, 2 lip matte lipsticks, 1 blush and some brushes. Let me show you the brushes guys. Yay, look at this. I have already used this. As you can see, it's already dirty. And these 2 brushes, they are so soft. They are so blendable. It actually comes with the 6-piece, but today I'll be using this 3, so I have taken out this 3. Maybe in future videos I'll be using that left 3 brushes. And they have gorgeous palettes guys. Let me show you one. This is the luxury palette. It is a full glitter palette, and their packaging is awesome. The pigmentation is insane. Yes, look at the packaging guys, so gorgeous it is. And let me show you the colors into this. Oh my god, they are pressed glitters and insanely pigmented. Yes, insanely pigmented. Let me show you another one. I'm showing only those 2 which I'll be using today. Look at the packaging guys. This is the ever-changing palette. Yes, so gorgeous, so attractive, travel friendly, and the pigmentation. Look at the colors. Wow, it reminds me of the Subculture palette. So gorgeous, and it has a brush with it, and the quality of the brush is so good. This is the brush. Look at this guys. One side is a flat top and the other side is a blending one, so it will be a very useful brush. So without wasting much time, let's get started with these babies. So I have focused my camera for you guys so that you can see this clearly. And now I'll be starting with my eyes, what I usually do. First, I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 into my eyelids for priming my lids and making a base. And then I'll be using this mini blender. And now I'll be setting it with the Revlon Color Stay Pressed Powder in the shade Medium Deep. I just press it like this. And I'll be starting my eye makeup with this palette, this ever-changing eyeshadow palette from the Focallure, and I'll be using this shade right here. The name of this shade is the Palace. It's a gorgeous transition shade, and I'll be using my fluffy blending brush. You just need a very little amount. You just barely touch this. And now I'll be using this Focallure blending brush, and we'll be using this shade right here, the Focallure, the fall. Look at the pigmentation, so pigmented. Now I'll be using this shade right here, and we'll be using this small flat brush. We'll be using into my inner corner and the outer corner. And again we'll be using a big brush, and we'll pat that color. I have left the middle portion of my eyes. This shade pigmentation is moderate, it's not pigmented as the others. Now I'll be using this shade right here, named Leaves, in the center. It's a light gray color. I'll be using the shade Mist into my inner corner and the outer corner. And now again I'll be taking that Focallure fluffy blending brush, and we'll be using the color Fall, and we'll be blending all together. I'll be using this shade named Season in the middle of my lid. Now I'll be doing my other eye off camera, and we'll be coming right back. So I'm done with my other eye, and now I'll be using this palette, this luxury palette, and we'll be using this shade onto my lids. We'll be using only in the center of the lid. I'm feeling like I need to use a little bit of mystery shade, and will be intensifying my inner and the outer corner. So the eyeshadow is done, and now I'll be moving on to my face, and I'll be using my primer, which is the Colourbar Perfect Match Primer. So today I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Coverage HD High Definition Long Wear Foundation, and I'll be directly dropping the foundation onto my face. And we'll be buffing this with this kabuki brush. Now I'll be using my beauty blender to set it. I'll be using one more pump for the full coverage. Now I'll be setting this with the Revlon Color Safe Erase powder in the shade Medium Deep. I'll be using my concealer, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25. And we'll be using my NYX Gotcha Covered Contour in the shade Cappuccino.
I'll be using this kabuki brush and we'll be blending it. Now I'll be setting my concealer with this small beauty blender. Using this kabuki brush and we'll be setting all together. Now I'll be using a contour brush and we'll be using this Revolution Ultra Sculptin Contour Kit and the shade Ultra Light Medium C04, and we'll be sculpting my face. Coloursense HD High Definition Powder in the shade Soft Veg to set my under eyes. And now we'll be dusting off the powder. My me.As blush palette and we'll be using this shade right here. It is a light pink shade. Now I'll be doing my brows with the L'Oreal Paris Brow Artiste Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. This Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick Radiant Highlighting Palette. We'll be using the Focallure highlighter brush and we'll be going top to bottom just like this. Now we'll be using this lip kit by Focallure. Let me show you the lip kit. Yay! It got 3 lip shades together and I'll be using today Del Rio. It's a gorgeous shade. I will use this on my birthday and my husband was like, yes, your lip shade is still good. You're looking cute on this. This is the lip shade and it got a cap like this, and then you have to open just like a normal lipstick. It's like a crayon type lipstick, but it's not totally matte. It's quite moisturizing, but the pigmentation is so good. Ayurama! I have to forget to do my lower lash line. Let's do it, guys. Oh my god, how can I forget this? Anyways, let's do it. I'll be lighting my lower line with Clam 21 eye pencil in the shade Royal Blue.
And now I'll be smoking it up with this shade right here. The shade name is me.As. Now I'll be taking a clean fluffy blending brush and we'll be using this shade named Salt, and we'll be highlighting my brow bone. And now it's the mascara time. I'll be using my Maybelline Volume Express mascara. And now it's the falsies time, and I'll be using this Pack Mink eyelashes and M72. So this is the final look, guys, and now the giveaway time. I am giving away some of my favorite products, and for this you have to participate in this giveaway contest. Rules are very simple rather. You have to like this video and comment below with hashtag #WBeauty, that way I can understand. And you also have to subscribe to my channel. You have to like my Facebook and the Instagram page. Over there I'll be updating the products, and also you have to comment any of the picture you like over there and tag your 3 friends. If you unfollow or unlike the picture, later on you will be disqualified for the future giveaways. So why are you waiting for, guys? Go and participate. And I'll be meeting the winner in person. My PR will contact the person by email or by message. So don't get late, guys. Hurry up and participate into this. I am really excited about this giveaway because this is my first giveaway. And one more time, I really want to thank you all for this much love and support. May your love shower on me just like this. So if you like this video, don't forget to give your thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of me. Until next time, take care and bye bye.